we need solving the exponential equation with two different bases, 5 and 3. Because 5 and 3 cannot be written using a common base, we just have to use logarithms. In doing so, the exponents become coefficients. Stop the video here and think, what type of equation is this? Right, if we multiply out the brackets and collect like terms, we end up with a quadratic equation. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Replacing a with log 3, b with minus log 5, and c with minus log 15 into the quadratic formula, we end up with minus 1 and 2.47. We can visualize both solutions, minus 1 and 2.47, by using the graphs of 3 to the power of x plus 1, x minus 1, and 5 to the power of x plus 1. Doing maths is a bit like going to the gym. You need to do a bit every day. Practice, practice, practice. Watching someone at the gym won't get you fit. Now, lifting the weights yourself will.